Oisho, getting ready. Oisho. Okay. I'm in the full 80s aerobics attire, baby. Let's begin. I'm just starting straight from here. Normally people start from like here. Okay. let's go. slowly. Yeah, you already saw it. Yeah. The shoes are so sick. Wow, they're beautiful. Why are my kicks always so sick? I love them. They look so nice. They look comfortable. I like the straps. They're very original. Oops, okay. Alright. Slowly, we'll be moving down. We have cute loose socks that I can actually also take off, but I think it's nicer this way. Socks! 靴下ルーズソックスだね。80年代にも人気あったはず。And we're getting to the knees. Do you see this shadow that's like happening when I bent down? Wow. Yeah, we have pink leggings. Pink and very shiny. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say really quickly. I already mentioned it like yesterday, but I just want to point out that the pose is completely different for the first time ever. Normally, the outfits are drawn on top of the base of the model and the pose doesn't change. But this time, my legs and my arms, they're like redrawn from scratch and put into a new pose that looks more relaxed. So I hope you can pay attention to that. Look how my knees go together. And maybe you can kind of see a thigh wobble. I don't think I ever had a thigh wobble before. うわー、なんかね、太ももが動いてる。Jiggle, wiggle, wiggle. そう、ポーズも実はね、新しく描いてもらいました。いつものポーズじゃないんだよね。Shiny! Yeah, I got like so many different choices of what the fabric could look like, and I went for this metallic look, but there were actually like many different feelings to this fabric that I could have chosen. But I love this very shiny metallic look the most. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so jiggly. It's jiggly like pudding. And my fingers are visible, and we're seeing some colors here. Wow, the leotard is becoming visible. Hi, Kubidiba! Yeah, everything is jiggling. I have to say, you will have to look closely at the cleavage because it jiggles more than usual too, very nicely. I must say, I actually did not complain about the jiggle. It's good. Now look at this. Wow. And yeah, here we're getting the leotard now. It has a flower pattern, a little bit different from the music video, I think. And the sweater is blue. Oh! KFP logo! That actually looks... Do you see this like open pattern on the sleeves? Yeah, very cool. And here come the jiggly puffs. Here come the jiggly puffs! Oh my god! Oh shit! Okay, I'm mesmerized by it too, guys. It's okay. Like, do you see? Wow, those look really real. Like I've made I've had the pleasure to meet some really big Jigglypuffs a few weeks ago that were like this, and I must say this moves really realistically. Whoa! Okay, are you ready for the most exciting part, the face? Although maybe I can't even say that. Maybe the most exciting part is already right here. I hope you're liking it so far, though. 気に入ってくれてるかな? I hope you're liking it. Okay, here I go. Hoop earrings. Is it a short hair or a ponytail? Place your bets. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a ponytail! A high ponytail! Hi ponytail! Hi ponytail, how you doing? I love the hoop earrings so much! Wow! Wow! And my hair, we tried to make it very voluminous because I feel like all the hair in the 80s was very voluminous, right? Yeah. So, how do you like it? How do you like it? Jiggle, everything's jiggling and shaking. Whoa. Oh, I really like how the hoops move. Nice.